Graph the inequality y is less than or equal to 3/5 x minus 5. The way you graph an inequality on a coordinate plane is you start out by treating it like it's a regular old y equals mx plus b problem, where the number in front of x is your slope and the number that's floating around is your y-intercept as long as y is all by itself. So I'm going to start out just like this. I'm going to notice that my slope is 3/5. I'm also going to notice that my y-intercept is -5. And I'm going to place points based off of that information. So I'm going to start out always by putting a dot where the y-intercept is on the y-axis right here. And I'm going to use my slope to make more dots. So my slope is 3/5, which is positive. So up 3, right 5. So up 1, 2, 3, right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a dot there. I can't go any more. I can't go down 3 and left 5. So I only have 2 dots. Now this is where things kind of become brand new. Okay, this is where things get different. With an inequality, there's two differences. Difference number one is in both cases, you look at the symbol that you have. Difference number one is if it's or equal to, like this is, you are going to use a solid line because you include the line as part of your answer. The dashed line means you don't include it. The solid line means that you do. So I'm using the solid line because it's or equal to. The other thing that I have to pay attention to is the fact that it's less than. So when it's less than, what you do is you shade underneath the line. Now by shading underneath the line, what we're doing is we're saying all of these points here in purple are possible answers to the original problem. For example, if I were to take the point, 4, -5. If I were to take the point 4, -5, label you x and y, and plug it into the original inequality, it'll give me a true statement. So when you graph an inequality, you shade a side that says all of the points on the side that I shaded are possible solutions to the original inequality. And in this case, since we're including the line, you can also plug in any of the points on the line and that'll also give you a solution. So I can plug in 5, -2 right here and it'll give me a solution that will also work. So when you are graphing an inequality, you shade a side, you make a solid or dashed line, and anything that's shaded or on the solid line is going to be a possible solution. And that's it.